This is Miss Carlina. This is Miss Katie. Forehead first, ladies. Forward. Shoulders, rib cage, hips, booty back. Oh, did you see that booty pop? Here we go. Forehead, chest, rib cage, hip, booty back. Yes? Speed it up. Front step touch. 2 times. Step touch. 2 steps to your left. All right. Body roll straight ahead. Hit. 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 Rock it over here. Hit. Hit. You can feel the core work, yes? Walk it over here. Hit it. Oh, I'm facing Carlina. What? Hey. Hey. Girl, stay there. I like it. Hey. 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 Here we go. Body roll. Uh-huh. Walk it over here. Hit it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. One more. Walk it over here. Hit it. I ain't got nothing but the funk in me. Up front. Hit it. Nothing but the funk in me. They ain't got nothing but the funk in them. Nothing but the funk. Single, single, double with the arm. So you can get your whole family getting the funk in them. Get some water, baby. I'm getting water. Let's stay hydrated. Woo. And I will see you next time, so keep tuning in. Let's give him a big holler out, okay? Holla! Woo! I was gonna dance for this!